Now, this is a small note about the enigmatic entity called early gastric cancer. We keep on hearing about early gastric cancer, we hardly ever get to see that one. I am yet to see one early gastric cancer which has been managed with minimally invasive techniques so far. Now, this is the description of early gastric cancer described by the Japanese, defined by the Japanese and discussed in many forums by the Japanese, which is a disease confined to the mucosa and submucosa, irrespective of the size of the lesion and irrespective of the lymph nodal status. Several different classifications have typed them, and the commonest being the type 2C. They have achieved excellent local control and overall survivals in these patients. Now, what they find is 99% of these patients will be surviving 5 years if they have an intramucosal carcinoma, 96% if they have a submucosal carcinoma. Lymph nodal metastases were noticed in 3% with intramucosal and 20% with submucosal. Those patients who had nodal disease had undergone a laparoscopic or an open lymphadenectomy in these patients. With excellent selection criteria, they have been able to achieve results which are stupendous to any of the gastric cancer studies we are looking at. Unfortunately, there are no randomized control trials, and it's very unlikely that it will be reproducible in any part of the world. Fortunately or unfortunately, it's not that common in the rest of the world, but the screening modalities that are being used in these countries, China, Korea and Japanese populations, which are showing all these excellent results with early detection and interventions. To summarize, the surgeon should aim at an R0 resection in early gastric cancers which are chosen to be taken up for surgical upfront surgery. Those patients who have got locally advanced disease should be going for more than surgical modalities, non-surgical modalities to begin with, then surgery should be added. Total gastrectomy should be avoided if possible with good surgical resection margins. Modified D2 lymphadenectomy can be performed safely with no increased morbidity and mortality with excellent results, probably adding to the survival. Minimally invasive techniques can be adopted without having any adverse effects on these patients. Thank you very much.